everyone, welcome back to Inspire with Sweta. If you're new here, I'm Sweta, and I help beginners grow their careers by sharing real stories, practical skills, and my journey through freelancing and more. Today I'm opening up about something super important: the 5 biggest mistakes I made when I started freelancing. Trust me, I made them all. And I don't want you to do the same. So grab a notebook, let's save your time, money, and sanity. Mistake 1, trying to learn everything at once. When I started freelancing, I thought I needed to master everything. Graphic design, video editing, social media, content writing, coding, all at once. Guess what happened? I got overwhelmed, confused, and almost gave up. What I learned: start with one skill. Get good at it. Build a portfolio, then slowly add more. Focus brings faster results than multitasking chaos. Mistake 2, waiting for confidence to begin. I waited months thinking, when I feel confident, then I'll start applying. But confidence never magically came. I only built confidence after I started taking small actions, like applying for tiny gigs, making a simple profile, or reaching out to one person. Confidence is built through action, not before it. Mistake 3, not knowing how to price myself. I used to either underprice my services out of fear or overprice based on random guesses. Both pushed clients away. What I do now: research the market on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Start with competitive, not cheap pricing. Add value and slowly increase rates. Freelancing is business. Strategy beats emotion. Mistake 4, ignoring personal branding. I thought only big influencers needed a brand. Wrong. Even as beginner, you are your brand. I had no portfolio, no About Me page, and no samples at first. So I worked on that. Made a simple website using Canva. Created a few sample projects. Wrote a clear "what I offer" line. Now, client feels I'm serious because my brand speaks before I do. Mistake 5, relying only one platform. I was fully dependent on one freelancing site. No clients, full panic. Lesson: diversify. Start with one platform, like Fiverr or Upwork. But also, post on LinkedIn. Join FB groups. Try cold emails or referrals. Use social media to show your work. Don't let one platform control your entire career.